Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture. You can see the small plants and all the flowers and all the lights and all looking very good decoration and beautiful and attractive. Very good, very nice also. So I hope you will like this video so much. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall and the apple lights and all looking very good, very attractive, very beautiful also, very good also. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the you can see this you can see the up lights and all looking very beautiful lights, very good lights and all looking attractive. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the sides light decoration, beautiful decoration and all, very good looking. You can see this one also the up lamps are there, beautiful lamps and all, very good lamps. You can see the up lights also very beautiful lights and all, attractive also. So you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see that this one the flower some like this one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration, the beautiful decoration, TV and screen, all everything is there, very beautiful, very good, very nice. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror outside. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the downlights and the up. You can see the with the everything is with wood, beautiful decoration, beautiful design and all, very good also. You can see this one also very beautiful, very good also. You can see the lamp and the mirror window. You can see the sunlight is coming beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up screen, it's like a light only, it's beautiful light, very good light. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the window outside. You can see beautiful decoration, beautiful ideas and all. You can see the lights also beautiful. So you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the black color theme, everything is in black color, the curtain, the wall, everything very good design and decor. This one also very beautiful. You can see the curtain and the frame also in black color, beautiful. Down you can see the pen and pencil, and the decoration is good, very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror outside. You can see with the mirror, and you can see the bed and the side cupboards. You can see one decoration things. You can keep this one also very beautiful gaming chair and the window outside, very beautiful view. This one also you can see the bed. This one also the BTS, it is gay, BTS is full gay, no use of BTS. I don't know why I put this picture, take this picture. So you can see the other picture. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the you can see the flower and all looking very beautiful. The cupboards, you can see this one also very beautiful. The appliances, the wall, the roof, the everything very beautiful, very good also. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. And also I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love you all.